stream. Sunlight made the water gleam. Splash, a busy beaver swam, carrying sticks without a jam. Busy beavers splash and play, building homes throughout the day. Stick by stick, so strong and neat, nature's builders can't be beat. Tiny paws worked all around, branches gathered from the ground. Swimming, diving, back once more, building by the river shore. Lumi watched with smiling eyes, such a clever big surprise. Why do beavers build a dam? Let's keep wondering where they swam.